Suzuki Smash, oh, 18,000 lang cash, oh, guys, oh. So, next up natin, Suzuki SkyDrive, guys. 25,000 lang yung kanyang cash price. So, ayan, nakuha na rin, oh. 21,000 lang to, entry. Paubos na agad to, guys, ha. Naman natin, ito, meron Suzuki Smash na blue. Ang color, guys. So, 25k lang to, no, guys. So, ito yung Mio Gear na gray ang combination ng color, guys. Black. Yan, ito, 30,000 lang. Wala. Next up ulit natin, Mio Gear ulit na black, white, orange ang combination ng color. Ito, another 25,000 lang din. Next up, another Mio Gear ng Yamaha. So, black, orange ulit, and white ang combination ng color. Another 30,000 lang ulit yan, guys. Ito, meron ulit M3 dito, no? Worth 45,000 lang siya, no? Pero welcome back again to my channel.